We are pleased to show you the 2018 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, engine immobilizer, luggage rack, four-wheel disc brakes, air suspension. Come take a test drive today.